Riot by Arctic Monkeys is played in standard tuning and without a capo, and we're going to start off with this beautiful D major 7 voicing. It's just the first finger bar on the second fret of the G, B and high E strings, and we'll play the D string open 2. We're going to play it once, and then there's a little rest before we go to a C sharp minor chord. It's the first finger bar at the 4th fret, third finger on the 6th fret of the D, pinky finger 6th fret of the G, second finger on the 5th fret of the B, and we're going to do exactly the same again. Strum once, rest, move this shape down 2 frets to a B minor, exactly the same shape. This one we're going to leave to ring. So it's D major 7, C sharp minor, and then B minor, left to ring. D major 7, C sharp minor, B. For the verse, we're going to play an A major chord. We have first finger bar at the 5th fret, third finger, 7th fret at the A, pinky finger 7th fret of the D, and the second finger on the 6th fret of the D string. We're going to strum down in 8th notes. And it's going to be 1 and 2 and miss and down. And there's like a mute strum as we change there as well. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 mute. We then move to that C sharp minor that we played in the first kind of progression, the intro. And it is 1 and 2 and miss and 4 mute, exactly the same rhythm. Before we move down 2 frets again to that B minor chord, same again. Then we're going to move to an E major chord, second finger 2nd fret of the A, and third finger 2nd fret of the D, first finger 1st fret of the G string, the rest of the strings are open. We're going to strum down 3 times, 1 and 2, and on the and, we're going to add the pinky finger to the 2nd fret of the B string. This is like a E6 chord, and that long one, and the mute on the end. So 1 and 2, add, down, down, mute. E, E6. So the whole progression is A, C sharp minor, B minor, E, E6, A. For the lead riff in the song, there is an overdriven and kind of tremolo effect on it. I'm going to play it here just clean. So it's A open, then we're going to play 9th fret on the A, sliding down to 4, and then 9th fret on the D, sliding down to 4, then we'll hit 4 again, going down to 2. So open A, 9 down to 4 on the A, 9 down to 4 on the D, 4, 2 on the D, one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time through starts off the same. Open A, 9 down to 4 on the A, this time 4 up to 11 on the D, and then 4 up to 9 on the G, and then sliding down to 1. So that's second time through. Open A, 9, 4, 4, 11, 4, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.